Hello students, we are here today to learn about the rainy season. So today we are going to learn the composition on rainy season. So before starting, let us know how many seasons do we have. We have 3 seasons. They are summer season, rainy season and winter season. How many seasons we have? We have 3 seasons. And in which season are we now? We are in the rainy season. So let us now learn about the rainy season. Rainy season comes at the end of the summer season. It begins in June and goes on till September. When does the rainy season come? It comes at the end of the summer season. When it begins in the month of June and it goes out till September. So how many months do we have rainy season? We have rainy season for 4 months. It brings relief to men, animals, birds, plants and trees. After the hot time, everybody welcomes rain. So when it starts raining, we all are happy, right? We all feel very happy because the climate is very cool. Not only us, but the animals, birds, plants and trees, they too enjoy the rainy season. The sky looks cloudy. At times, it rains heavily for days together. Now, the sky is filled with grey clouds. We also hear lightning and sometimes it rains very heavily for days together. Rivers and ponds are filled with water. Trees become greener during this season and the whole land becomes green and beautiful. Can you see the river? Yes, the river is filled with water, right? Yes, and the tree, they are looking so green. During the rainy season, there is greenery everywhere. Children love to play in the rain and drop paper boats in the rain. We love to have hot drinks like tea and coffee. All of you love to play in the rain, right? And I know, even y'all will make paper boats and drop them in the rainwater and sail them, right? Y'all love to do all that. And we also love to have hot drinks like tea and coffee. This weather is helpful for agriculture. The farmers begin cultivation. Cultivation means the farmers, they start sowing seeds so that after it rains, these seeds, they will grow into beautiful crops. Many types of fruits and vegetables are available. We get fresh fruits and vegetables in the market during the rainy season. Thank you children for patiently listening to me.